Hi, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Victoria here. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you're notified. If you haven't subscribed, hey, you're missing out. So better subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. Now, like I posted, I made comments in the previous videos that I did that I opened up a coffee shop, and there is a link to my coffee shop. I'll be sending there, so I'll be uploading patterns for some of the videos that I've been making, and it's a way of growing in this business since it's now my full-time job and I need to earn an income at the end of it all. So kindly support me. You can go there, purchase the patterns. It's a way of supporting me. Thank you so much. I made this top. As you can see, and I put up I'll put up the link, sorry, the pattern on my coffee shop, so you can purchase it from there if you'd like to make it. It's a knitted striped bubble top. It's really nice. It's for any size. It depends on which size you are, so you can measure and do it according to that. You will see how it's done in the when you purchase it. I'll be glad and grateful. And also those doodles you see up there in the background, yes, there is BBCC and one of the artists that I made. Yes, I'll be doing also a video for that, and I'll share the pattern on my coffee shop. So follow me up there and support me where you can. I'm trying to get some money to buy a camera, and that will be helpful if you support it. Thank you so much. In this video that we are going to do today, I'm going to show you how you can make an easy neck warmer that when it is cold, it's either for you or for your child, that you can easily wear anywhere you want and keep warm. Let's get into the video. So I'm using this chunky robin, which is 100% acrylic on the KH260. I pull out, this is a size for a child, so I pull out 35 to 35 needles to 36, and then you cast on. But before you start casting on, you leave a long tail about a meter, and then you cast on. Then setting my tension to 9 and row counter to 0, 0, 0. Excuse me. I'll knit up to 90. So I've reached 90. Now I'm going to join by picking up the stitches which are dropped and pulling them to the working position. You know, like how we do the hemming of a rib, a mock rib. After you pull out all the needles to the working position, then you need one row. And now we are going to cast off half of it up to this point 0, and we leave this half. So I've reached the center. Now I'm going to knit 2 rows, 1, 2, then transfer. We are going to be doing reductions. I hope you can see here. It's doing reductions both ends. 1, 2, and then knit 2 rows. rest of these two which have remained. Cut off the tail and weave it in here so you can hide it. So now so this is how it is so far. So you try to stretch it out a bit, and using this tail that we had left behind, you'll get your yarn needle. And you join it with a blind stitch. Just by picking up stitches both ends and joining them together around, not all at once, but around here, like here, and then inside out, and then inside. So after blind stitching around and weaving in the tail, I have finished. Now when you turn your neck, this is how it is. Just fold it. This can fit a child. This size is for a child. Now for an adult, you can pull out 45 to 46 needles depending on the size of someone. So 45 to 46 needles is what I've been using to make adult neck warmers. So you can go ahead and try out this neck warmer. It's easy and it will keep you warm and your lovely ones warm. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give it a hit on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new videos that I'll be uploading. And also go on and check out my coffee shop. I'll be putting there new patterns that you can purchase. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.